Good evening, friends. Study with Apala Engineering and General Geology Parvin Singh book. So, in chapter 6, structural feature of rocks. So, isoclinal folds. These are group of folds in which all the axial planes are essential parallels, meaning that all the component limbs are dipping at equal amounts. They may be made up of series of anticlines and synclines. So this fold say series. Make a axial plane, axial plane, axial plane, axial plane, isoclinal folds. Next figure, recumbent fold. This is a special folds. Many question ask from this fold. Recumbent folds. These may be described as extreme type of overturned folds in which the axial planes acquires an almost horizontal attitude. In such folds, one limbs come to lie exactly under the other's limbs so that a hole dug at the surface in the upper limbs passes through the lower limb also. The lower limb is often called the inverted limb or the reversed limb. Other parts of a recumbent fold are sometimes named as follows: the arch, which is a zone of curvature corresponding to crest and throw in the upright folds; the cell, which is the outer zones made up mostly of sedimentary formation; the core, which is the innermost part of the fold and may be made mostly of crystalline, igneous, and metamorphic rocks; the root or the root zones, which is the basal part of the folds and may or may not be easily traceable. Once traced, it can throw light whether the folds was originally an anticline or syncline that has suffered further inversions. Cell, this arch, normal limbs, core, inverted limbs, root zones. Don't forget to make a diagrams with labeling. Conjugate fold. In certain cases, a pair of folds that are apparently related to each other may have a mutually inclined axial planes. Such folds are described as the conjugate folds. The individual folds themselves may be anticlinal or synclinal or their modification. So this is also most important. Axial planes, this indicate this A, B, C. When two axial plane, so we AB, and three axial planes, so we write ABC. Box fold. It may be described as a special type of folds with exceptionally flattened top and steeply inclined limbs, almost forming three side or rectangle. This A. This indicate this make a box fold. So thank you.